गाइस पार्ट 3 आपन स्वागत अच्छे तो पार्ट 3 स्टार्ट होगा ये आम हीराकुद चाणनु तो देखमा जो हीराकुद केन्ता अच्छे जी गाइस पार्क पर खेलनो हीराकुद गांधी मीनार और डायरेक्ट जो सन्ना तक मा तो फाइनली गए समय पहुंची गांधी मीनार जाऊ जो एंदा ही देखमा जाऊं
Make it break through the ceiling. Can't you see I'm willing to let it go? Yeah, nah nah. I let it move and control me. Gone with the stars, don't even try to get me back for the night.
गाइस इधर देखो रोपवे पूरा पूरी बहुत दूर तक मुझे आदि बहुत अच्छी देखो पूरा पूरी दिस इज ए व्यू देखो
Throw away the cars, give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me, if we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the lights are gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead them,
तो गाइस हम
I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lead there, will you come?
तो गाइस देखिए सारे सोवर तो पार्ट 4 फैन देखा हमारा